Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of going to see the dentist. I'm not talking about just getting your teeth cleaned every 6 months. Lots of people do that. And lots of people go into the office and they see their hygienist and they're like, I just want to get, the plaque off and do my thing. And the hygienist says, actually you're due for an exam with the dentist. And some people say, oh no, I don't want to do that. I just want my teeth cleaned, I'm good. Now, you might be thinking, if I had a sore in my mouth or if something was wrong, I would feel it. But unfortunately, that's not always the case. And that's why head and neck cancer is so deadly. It can go undetected for a really long time. The earlier you catch any sort of oral problem, the better off you are. Problems with your teeth, your gums, or the skin inside your mouth can be really difficult problems to overcome if you don't catch them early. Guys, look at my face. I have a scar running from the middle of my lip down around to the back of my ear, and that is because I had a 3-centimeter tumor removed from the back of my tongue. When they removed my tumor, they had to put me on a feeding tube because my tissue was so swollen. For a while I couldn't breathe, so I was trached, and for a while I couldn't swallow. So I had that feeding tube for 4 months. Guys, no amount of pride, no amount of fear is worth going through what I went through. Just see your dentist, it's that easy. And then you have peace of mind. You can go to sleep at night knowing that you did everything you could. If I had not been proactive in visiting the dentist and the oral surgeon, having my condition diagnosed, having them feel my tongue and my mouth, having them do an exam on my neck, things would be a lot worse off for me right now. Honestly, I wouldn't even be here. It's because they caught it that I am alive today. It's a very common misconception to think that if something was wrong in your mouth, you would just know about it. One of the reasons that oral cancer is so deadly is because people assume that if there was something wrong, they would feel it. You can have a tumor go undetected for a very long time, especially in your head and neck. Now, I'm not here to scare you. I actually live a really full and happy life in spite of what has happened to me. I can still do everything I did before. I just have a little bit of a speech impediment and some trouble swallowing. But that is not the experience that most people have. And so I want you to take your visits to the dentist very, very seriously. The importance of finding an issue or a problem early is huge. Whether it's a cavity or a small bump, or maybe it's even just a discoloration, a color that doesn't belong. Maybe it's a problem with your gums. It's very common to find suspicious lesions. And fortunately, the vast majority of them are absolutely nothing. But as I know, that is not always the case. And it can happen to you. It happened to me. I'm sure you go to the dentist every 6 months and you at least see your hygienist, and that's great. But a hygienist cannot diagnose. That is the job of a dentist. And that dentist needs to do a thorough exam, including an exam for oral cancer. If I hadn't had qualified dental professionals looking in my mouth all the time, I don't even want to think about where I would be right now. I wouldn't be here, I wouldn't be making this video. So many lives would be saved if people would just see their dentist every 6 months. Can you make that commitment with me? I do every 3 months now. Don't be jealous. I care deeply about you. As fortunate as I have been to continue to lead a very high quality of life, I wouldn't wish this on anyone, not my worst enemy. Please go see your dentist. Your life is valuable and you are so loved. So please, get your exams. See the actual dentist. You might thank me later. I'll see you at the dentist's office.